Hello, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an ebook mockup using your smartphone. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description box below. Make sure you click on the website and get your ebook done right away. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So before we can make it, this is the site we would be making use of: smartmockups.com. So this is a very good site. You can create any kind of mockup. You can create so many type of mockup. You can create a t-shirt mockup. You can create phone or tablet mockup. You can create mug mockup. So desktop mockup, laptop mockup. So we have so many things you can create. You can see magazine mockup. You can create books mockup. So you can create so many mockups for your books. As you can see, these are the mockups you can simply create. Face mask mockup. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to select the type of mockup you want to make. So in this case, I will just select something simple. Let me select this. So once you select a mockup, the first thing you have to do is that you can use your Pixel Lab app or Canva, or if you're using CorelDRAW, any kind of app you are using to draw. First thing you have to do is you note the size. Note the size of the mockup too. As you can see here, this one's a thick portrait hardcover books. So 5.5 by 8.5. That is the size. So first, I've already designed my own ebook for this training, so not to waste much of our time. So the next thing I will do is that you have to click on upload. So you can upload it from your mobile phone, or if you have a URL, you can simply upload it from a URL by entering the URL of it if the cover photo is designed online. So the first thing I will be doing is like I'll click on upload. So you design for the left, then for the left, then you design the spine, then the right. So you click on upload. Once you click on upload, I'm uploading from my home phone. So I will click on upload image. Okay. So you go to where you save it in your gallery or in your folder. So I'm gonna open this up now. So I will select this. This is just the template I designed for it. So let me just select this, I think. So let me select this. Then you wait till it load up. The network is a little bit slow here. So let me wait for it to load up. Let me pause this. Okay, that's uploaded. So the next thing you're going to do for the spine. So the spine is this tiny one. So you click on the spine. You must have also created its own size. So you select it, then you open wherever you save it on your gallery. So I'm gonna open where I save mine. Okay, so I'm gonna open my gallery. Oh, come on. So I open up where I saved it. So this is the spine I created for it. So as you can see, I've done for the left, also I've done for the spine, I've done for the right. So once you are done, you simply click on download. So you choose the size you want to download this. So I'm going to choose a medium size. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So you can also see some other formats you can choose. So that's how you simply do it. So I'm waiting for it to load, then we're gonna download. Still loading. So I think it has downloaded. Now let's open. Let's see what we created. Let's see what we created so far. Okay, yeah, perfect. As you can see, perfect. So this is how you can do your mock up. So this is how you can simply do your what, your mock-up. So you can just so if you want to do any kind of mock-up, business card mock-up, any kind of mock-up. So the list is endless. So you can just choose if you want to do a t-shirt mock-up. So you would be given a free 7 days trial. So you can use any templates. So for good 7 days. But after the 7 days, you will need to pay. You have to upgrade for you to be using it.